about this. Why you are worrying about your level? You want to be like them only for your lifetime?
No, sir.
Then obviously, why you are worrying about those statements? Your style is delegation. I will concentrate on higher level activities only. Whether the people are feeling bad or something laziness about me, any kind of statements, no problem at all. Once I succeeded, once I succeeded, I showed my result, I showed my growth. Then these people are always going to tell that, hey, that person, how much worker, man, how much he's always doing higher level things only. That's why this person got succeeded. Like the same people are going to appreciate you. Don't worry. Wait until that. Getting right?
Sir, got it.
Yeah, don't worry about these people. So I told, if the elephant, whenever elephant is walking on the road, whenever elephant is walking on the road, the small dogs are going to bark, are barking like anything. Elephant never be stopped. Elephant keep on moving only, moving only. A small chota elephant asked the mother elephant, these many dogs are okay barking, but you didn't stop, but you didn't argue, or you didn't bark back like. Then simple mother elephant told, Chotu, if I stopped, if I argue with them, if I started barking with these dogs, we will be here only. We won't move further. We won't move further. We require to go. That is our destination. That is our goal. We require to go there. If I'm talking, if I'm spending my time, my energy with these, then automatically my main goal by default will be gone. That's why the people are always, talking. Don't worry much about them. Just continue. That thing must be required. Don't worry about the people. You have to show your value is based on your results, not based on your laziness. Venkatramana, getting
Yes.
clearly?
Yes, completely understand, sir.
Some people may feel, okay, array, this person is not giving that much importance for us, like not giving that much importance. He's not spending the time with us. Even I'm coming to his house also, he's just spending 5 minutes only, but he's not giving that much importance for us, like the people are going to feel. The same people, after a few years, they are going to tell, do you know Durga? He's my relative only. The same persons are going to tell. Remember that a relative came to my house. Just 5 minutes I spent. And then I will entered into my room and then just slept because my schedule is important. Okay, uncle, how are you? All these things. And then a bit very far relative. Array, he's not giving that much importance. We gave him just 5 minutes only spent. He didn't. But after few years, what will happen is, do you know Durga? Durga is my relative only. Just by spell out our name, the people are going to feel happy. Getting Venkatramana?
Yes, sir.
వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నా అనుకుంటారేమో, ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫీల్ సంథింగ్, ఐ షుడ్ బి దేర్, ఐ షుడ్ స్పెండ్ మై 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours, 5 hours with them just by doing some batakani kind of thing. What about my time? What about my growth? What about my value? If tomorrow, if I'm going to struggle like anything, if these people are going to help, all the
No,
so-called people, all the so-called people,
no,
okay, feeling bad about
no.
me, if these people are going to help, no one. So be selfish with your time. Be selfish with your energy. I hope it's clear for you people. So delegation is not laziness. Delegation is a leverage. Leverage. So, Venkatramana, feeling comfortable?
Sir, now I'm comfortable.
చిన్న చిన్న పనులే కదా, చిన్న చిన్న పనులే కదా. మనమే చేద్దాం. ఈ పని కూడా మనం చేయకపోతే వేరే వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా ఫీల్ అవుతారు. వేరే వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా ఫీల్ అవుతారు, మరి రాంగ్గా అనుకుంటారు మన గురించి. ఓకే, స్మాల్ వర్క్స్ ఓన్లీ, లెట్ మీ డూ దట్. If these small activities also, if I'm not doing, the other people may feel something bad about me. If you have this type of feeling, you are living not for yourself, you are living for other self. Where they are, you are also there only. Next, moreover, one important point for you, Venkatramana, the people are not having that much time to think about you. Everyone in the world has their own problems. Everyone in the world has their own responsibilities, their own problems. They are busy with their works, they are busy with their responsibilities, they are busy with their own problems only. The people won't spend much time about you. Even they may feel, "Arey, this person, lazy person, I won't do anything." Just how much time they are going to feel, matter of 1 minute or 1 second. And then they never going to worry, they never going to think about you throughout the day. They have their own jobs. That's why don't give that much importance. ఒకలా అనుకుంటే అనుకోని. If they are going to feel like that, okay, let them feel. So please make sure, don't do everything yourself. I should not do everything. I should transfer my activities step by step. I should build the team and system. I should focus on higher level activities only. These things are very important. Okay.